How to make text bigger on Snapchat. Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your text bigger on Snapchat. So if you want your messages to really stand out, follow along step by step. Alright, let's dive in. First, make sure your Snapchat app is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Snapchat, and tap Update if you haven't already. Updating ensures you have the latest features, including the ability to resize text. Now, open Snapchat and go into any chat. Tap on a conversation to start. Type your message, and you'll notice some arrows appear next to your text. To make your text bigger, just drag the arrows up. The farther you drag, the larger your text becomes. Release when you've reached the size you want, and then send your message. And that's it. You can make your text as small or as huge as you like to grab attention in your chats. While there isn't a separate text size button, this drag and release method is the easiest way to customize your messages on Snapchat.